Hey guys, what's going on? This is the New Computers 101 here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows XP on Mac OS X using VirtualBox. So, I did a tutorial about 10 months back about how to install Windows XP mode on Windows 10, and I got about 80,000 views on that, and I am very happy about that. So I decided to make a video on how to do it for Mac OS X. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up the link in the description and download this file right here, Virtual XP VHD. It'll probably take about like 5 minutes to download, but could vary depending on your internet speed. So then you'll want to rename this file and put a period between the P and the V, which I already did, to make it a VHD file or a virtual hard disk file. And then you'll want to create a new virtual machine. Just move this out of the way. So you can name it whatever you want. Just make sure that the type is Microsoft Windows and that the version is Windows XP 32-bit, okay? So that's all you need to make sure of. So just call it anything. Select your memory size. You should do at least 192 megabytes. And then at this screen, you're going to want to use an existing virtual hard drive file. And then, so you'll want to click that. And then you'll want to click the picture of this folder with the green up arrow on it. You're going to want to click on that and locate to where you downloaded your file. And then you'll want to click on it and then click open. But however, I already created a virtual machine for that, so I will just cancel. And then you'll want to open up the virtual machine. And then an alert is that this virtual machine does not will not have the drivers and the VirtualBox Guest Edition's drivers pre-installed, so your mouse might not work properly. So you might have to use the tab arrows to do the setup. But the setup is pretty simple. You just go through it. You can call it computer whatever you want. Alright, then you have your time. I don't know why. I don't know, my time's messed up, but I'll fix that later. It's hard to do with the keyboard. The mouse might work on yours, I don't know. Alright, now we'll install the network settings. This part shouldn't take that long. Alright, so you'll install your start menu, register the components, and remove any temporary files used. And then you will probably end up with a black screen like this. This is perfectly normal. The same thing happens when you do it on Windows 10. So what you have to do is get out of here, go to Machine, and reset. Yeah, I know, the setup and everything is all saved. It's stuck right now, so we have to reset. It'll ask if you're sure you want to do it. Just say yes. And it should start up into Windows XP Professional now. Okay, there we go. We probably will get a few pop-ups in the beginning saying that we don't have like the proper drivers installed, but we're gonna take care of that in a minute. I'm gonna show you guys how to put VirtualBox Guest Editions on here, which is very important because otherwise the display resolution on the virtual machine will be off, and because internet might not work. So it's good to have the guest editions installed just to make sure. So it'll just log you in for the first time here. The machine should be quicker after the the second time, more than the first time, but it's hard to use the mouse before you install the drivers, so I'll just use the keyboard. I'll just say don't turn off automatic updates for now. Yeah, it is a little slow. It can be a little slow. The first boot or two. See, it still has to set up personalized settings for like Internet Explorer 6. Okay, so this is what I was talking about before. You are gonna get pop-ups like this. Don't worry about it. This is normal for the first boot because this is what happens when you do it on VirtualBox. So no, not this. Just select no, not this time. Just do this one up top. And it'll say, and then make sure it says don't prompt me again to install the software because we're going to install our guest edition soon. And I think we'll get, yeah. I think after this, I don't think we'll get another pop-up. Alright. Alright. So, we shouldn't get any more of those. Alright, and there we go, we're in. So, just X out of this message. Okay, so now you're going to want to click on devices here, and then click Insert Guest Editions CD Image. And then it should detect it pretty quickly. Any second now, it should detect it. Your mouse probably still isn't going to work, but after you reboot it, after installing these drivers, the machines should work perfectly fine. It's being slow again. Alright, so we'll just do next. Yeah, it doesn't work that well the first. It can take a while to do, just with. You might want to turn off mouse integration, so I'm just going to disable that. Now, you want to capture. Now, the mouse should work a little better, so next. Alright, just install it to where it picks. Alright, you don't need direct 3D support, just click install. You don't need to check any of that stuff. Alright, you will get a few warning messages saying that do you want to like stop this installation, but just click like no, I don't want to cancel the installation. I want to keep installing. This can take a few minutes sometimes, so be patient. Alright, there's another one. Alright, continue anyway. Alright, yeah, your display will mess up a little bit there. It's just getting used to the drivers. Alright, continue anyway. Alright, reboot now. And it will restart, and your display settings and your resolution should look better on the virtual machine. I'll keep the video going until it restart glitch again. But alright, so it's gonna do it again. So you just want to do machine. You can enable mouse integration again, and then reset, and then reset. And it should restart, and then the drivers should be installed. Alright, Windows XP. Alright, Windows is starting up. You'll see the mouse is working just fine. Now, there's no more mouse glitches. It works totally fine now. Alright, we're back in. Now, you might not be left off with the right resolution still, so you'll probably get this message. You can just click on that, and then it will raise up your resolution. So, I don't know what this is. Yes. Alright, so that looks better. And it's still not good enough, so you'll probably want to make the resolution a little higher. So you'll want to go to Control Panel. Let's wait for Control Panel load. Okay, so you want to go to Appearance and Themes. Alright, change the screen resolution. And you'll probably want to change it to your computer's native resolution. Which on this computer, it is... I guess on this computer we can't do it anymore. Let's just make it full screen. Alright, switch. Alright, there we go. And you'll see it is already at its native resolution. So see, there we go. It works perfectly fine. The resolution's great. It's nice and snappy now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.